Hi, my name is Adam. I'm going to give you a very quick breakdown of how to leverage Jasper AI in a very simple content writing workflow. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to write an article about best Nike shoes. I'm going to turn this here into a H1 subheader. I'm going to add it to the title. I'm going to add it to this section here, which is going to tell Jasper what we want to write about. I've Googled best Nike shoes here. We're going to scroll down to the people also ask section on Google. We're going to randomly click on these here, because as you can see, as we're randomly clicking on them, it's creating more questions. Now I'm going to drag over these, copy them, paste them, and we'll drag over them again. One more time. I'm going to turn them into H2 subheaders. So we want to just edit the grammar slightly on them in some cases. Okay, this is now going to give Jasper AI a really good idea as to what we're actually writing about. Now I want to do an introductory sentence. If you've been looking for the best Nike shoes, you come to the right place. In this guide, now we're going to let Jasper work its magic. What we're going to do is we're going to press this compose button down here, or you can press Control J, and we're going to see what it comes up with. That's fantastic. We're going to delete that bit there. I'm going to move this up. And now that because we added these H2 subheaders here, all of these, it gave Jasper a good idea as to how to finish all of this, how to create this content. So it really all does just kind of feed into each other. Now what we want to do is we want to add a sentence starter to each of these H2 subheaders. Nike's best selling shoe is the best pair of Nikes are the best Nike shoes for daily wear are. Now we're going to go back to our compose, the compose button, or Control J. So we just press that. We're going to see what it comes up with. Now, one of the interesting things that you can see is that it's copying the style of the content above, in the sense of it's not doing massive chunky paragraphs. It's learning from what's already on the page, and it's breaking the content down and formatting it in a similar way. Say, for instance, I'm not happy with this sentence. I'm going to click the Rephrase button here. It's going to give me an alternative way to phrase that. If I'm happy with that, I can click Replace Text. If I'm not, I get it to try again. I'm happy with that. I'm going to press that. Just sort of a few formatting issues, and just rinse and repeat the process. We're going to press Compose again. And it's creating some really great content. It's breaking it down in a really good way, really easy to read. And ultimately, it will learn from what's already on the page. So if you give Jasper AI something to work with, that's always very beneficial. It's going to you're going to almost guide it and push it in the right direction. If you're interested in leveraging this tool for your content writing, you get 10,000 words free. Link in the comments, link in the description. You're more than happy to help anyone that wants to take this tool for a test drive. I can provide you with advice, tips. Just contact me. I'm more than happy to help. And yeah, definitely check this tool out. 10,000 words free. Link in comments, link in description. Go and take it for a test drive and see what you can do. Thanks.